Hello everybody. I'd like to thank everyone first by saying that I appreciate every single one of you that have been along with me for the journey since I've started teaching back in December with Basic Math 1. Those of you that have been with me since then, through Basic Math 2, through Pre-Algebra and Algebra 1, I'd like to thank you. And to those of you who will come in the future, I thank you also. I hope you find my videos helpful because I truly enjoy helping people. I do this for free. It always will be. All my videos from the previous playlists of Basic Math 1, Basic Math 2, Pre-Algebra, and Algebra 1, those will always be there forever. I will never take them down. And same with any of the other levels I do too. But I would like to welcome everybody to geometry. Now, geometry is very different. First, you may be wondering, well, you just completed Algebra 1. Why aren't you on to Algebra 2? Well, there's reasons for that. Because, one, geometry gives you that deeper analytical reasoning that you need to be able to use in higher level maths. Number two, Algebra 2 contains some trigonometry in it, which you're going to need some stuff from this geometry course to be able to apply to the trigonometry component of Algebra 2 once we get there. So yes, the next course after geometry here is going to be Algebra 2 Trig, which now that we're starting geometry, I look for it to take roughly through the end of this year, possibly into early next year. It's a very big course. A lot is covered. So, some of you may have heard mixed reviews about geometry. Some people think it's the greatest thing in the world, that there's hardly any algebra in it. Well, there's a little bit of algebra in it. There's some. I mean, there's even a little bit of quadratic stuff in it, but it's not nearly as algebra intensive as Algebra 1 was. Not nearly as much. So for that reason, people tend to like it. On the other hand, you may hear a lot of people hate it because it's not algebra very much that they're used to. Geometry, and I don't want to scare you away, but a good half of the course is going to be proofs. We're going to be proving theorems. There's going to be a lot of definitions, you'll learn about what postulates are, theorems, corollaries. You're going to learn about all those. And what we have to prove, what we don't have to prove, how we prove it. We'll get into deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning. We'll learn direct proof. We'll learn indirect proof. We will talk about points, lines, and planes, and theorems and postulates with that. We will talk about triangles, congruent quadrilaterals, and then similar figures. We'll talk about the differences between congruent and similar. We'll talk about inequalities with shapes. We'll talk more about Pythagorean theorem in more detail and the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. We'll talk more about volume and area, surface area. We'll talk about ratios of those things to each other and proportions. We will have more of that. We'll even do some coordinate geometry, which brings, for those of you who love algebra, you might love this, brings some algebra into it. We will talk a little bit about transformations, such as stretching, shrinking, reflecting, shifting. We'll talk about those even. There will be a little bit of trigonometry in this course. It's going to introduce you to trigonometry and what that is, what that entails. So there's a whole bunch of stuff coming. So the first half of the course is a lot of proofs. I gotta be honest with you. So you may or may not like this. I apologize in advance, but this is very necessary stuff to teach you if you're going to progress further in math. So, again, I just thank everyone for being here so far. You all are amazing. I couldn't have done it without you. You give me the motivation to keep going, to keep teaching. I appreciate all the feedback I've received so far. You guys have truly been amazing. and have helped me. So yeah, having said that, our very first lesson is going to be on points, lines, and planes. It's going to seem pretty easy and might even be boring to some of you. It's going to be a lot of definitions. So I hope you're ready for that, but if all goes well, that lesson should occur tomorrow, unless something drastic changes. So thanks again. I hope everyone has a great night. Take care.